Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, first of all, the N400 is the naturalization. That's usually done after a certain number of years as a lawful permanent residency, and of course, there's several elements for eligibility. The N600 means essentially that you are a U.S. citizen. You just need to submit the documents, the information, and so forth to prove it. Now, I cannot tell you just from this information whether or not you qualify for the N600 or the derivative citizenship, because the laws changed throughout the years, and the way that citizenship law works is not the law that's in effect today. It is the law that's in effect at the time of the qualifying event. So there's lots of different variations of that particular law as to whether or not you might qualify, such as how exactly did you enter the U.S.? How old were you? Were your mother and father married? What was the immigration status of your mother? Did your father live in the U.S. for a certain period of time prior to you being born? Did your father live in the U.S. after you were born for for a certain period of time? There's all different kinds of things that need to be shown. So normally in cases like this, I analyze whether there's a reasonable possibility of obtaining derivative citizenship. And if there is, then there's different ways of going about it. The N600, you would get a certificate of citizenship from USCIS, but if you qualify, you can also apply directly to the government for a U.S. passport, which, to be honest with you, is probably more valuable just worldwide than their certificate of citizenship from USCIS, or you could do both. However, the analysis needs to be done to determine whether or not you qualify for this particular form of relief. Okay.